Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Curt's Echo Mobile Trailer Brake Controller. And with Curt we have Brian. How you doing, Brian?
I'm well. How are you, Stephen?
I am doing great. So Brian, this is a really neat product, and I'm sure our audience is just chomping at the bit to know what this is all about. So give us the full details of what this allows us to do. This is one of the most modern ways to control your trailer's brakes. But give us the full details here.
Yes, you're true. You're very correct, Stephen. This is a cutting-edge technology. Okay. This is a triple-axis accelerometer in this brake controller. This brake controller is a non-invasive controller, meaning there is no wiring involved. You have a 7-way plug. You plug it in. With this controller here, it is Bluetooth controlled. Okay. So you'll pull an app, CurtMFG.com, pull the app.
Apple and Android, I'm guessing.
Yes, yep, okay. both phone systems. Once you've done that, you'll be able to program the settings on your phone.
Perfect. Now, what kind of settings are we looking at? So once we open the app, what kind of controls do we have?
Okay, you have the ability to control your gain or the amount of brake pressure you want to put. Okay. You'll have the ability to program sensitivity, depending on the loads you're hauling, stuff like that. Okay.
Now, does this work with like my cruise control, ABS, those sorts of types of systems?
Absolutely, compatible with both systems. Okay. Yes.
Now, getting into more of the, more of the features outside of the app, will this allow me to use on different vehicles, or is it stuck into one vehicle? Give us the full story there, too.
This brake controller here is compatible with multiple vehicle, multiple user, and multiple vehicle trailer combinations.
So this is good for both personal and sort of municipalities, commercial use too.
Absolutely, or the construction guy that's using it and then wants to move it over to the next construction guy, one of his partners or whatever.
Good deal.
Absolutely.
So let's say I've got this plugged in, I'm hauling down the road, and my phone loses battery. What happens then? Does this thing go haywire? What's the story there?
You're in luck. This does retain the last setting programmed to it, okay? So yes, if your phone loses battery, you lose your phone. Phone flies out the window by way of wife. You're still gonna have your setting in the phone.
Right.
Also, at the same point in time, you're able to run a GPS or other apps along with this. You can answer phone calls and still have this running in the background.
Can I use my music apps, things like that?
Absolutely.
Oh, perfect.
Absolutely.
That's good to know.
Yes.
So what kind of warranty do you offer?
We offer a limited lifetime warranty. It is a potted, fully sealed enclosure. Okay. So we do offer a very good warranty for it being an electronic component.
So well sealed, keeping the elements out.
Absolutely.
Good deal.
Absolutely.
Now with the installation, there's really not a lot to say here. It's very simple. You plug it in and you're done. Once you have the app loaded on your phone, you just control it from there once you've paired them together. There is one thing to know here though, if you're security conscious, there is a security feature here that's actually really important, so nobody's going to be able to hack you or anything like that. There's a PIN number, a custom PIN, that's under the lid, that's only available to you. So you'll be able to pair this to your phone and nobody else will. So a great additional feature there. But like as always, if you have any questions or concerns about installing this yourself or pairing it to your phone, take this to your local retailer. You can find a dealer locator in the description below, and they'll be happy to walk through the process and even help you make a purchasing decision as well. All right, so that's a wrap on Curt's Echo Mobile Trailer Brake Controller. Before we go though, Brian, thank you for coming today.
Thank you, Stephen.
It's been a great pleasure. Now guys at home, if you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments below. If you want more details about the product, check in the description. I'll have a part number and again that dealer locator so you can find and purchase this product at a dealer in your area. Now if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.